Are you excited, our dear tourists? Okay, let's go to our first destination. Santo Niño Diocesan Shrine, founded in 1986. The Santo Niño Diocesan Shrine in Butuan is the one of the churches found in historic city, where many believe Magellan first landed. It is located in Maharlika Highway, Libertad in Butuan City, Agusan del Norte, in the Philippines, and widely known today as the Santo Niño Shrine or Santo Niño Parish. Philippine soil and held the first mass with two brother kings of Butuan and Mazawa in attendance. Magellan stayed here for 7 days, helping with the rice harvest and listening to tales of gold and riches. Today, the site of Magellan's Mass is marked with a large cross of monument. The park is also important for many Hadlayati trees found here, some of which planted as far back as the 13th century by ethnic Butuan traders. Our third destination is Balanghay Shrine Museum. Balanghay Shrine Museum is one-story building that served the unit of National Museum. It is located in Barangay Libertad and it houses the 3 months of seagoing outrigger boat or balanghay. The former is used by a community settlers to go from one place to another, thus the name of barangay or community. It is said that the balanghay is one of the oldest artifacts in the country. Majority of the balanghay were excavated in Butuan. When I was there, they are carefully digging their latest find in Barangay Libertad at the back of Toyota showroom. From balanghay remains, the museum also houses remnants associated with the boat-like coffin. Human remains also relics. It was said that the coffin burial remnants led to the discovery of the boat. The coffin that they found along with the balanghay has 14th to 15th century material and measure about 3 meters. Deformed skulls are also displayed in the museum. According to guide, deformed skulls are owned by royalties during their era. Our fourth destination is Bansa Church Ruins. Spot this beautiful stone church now wrapped in banyan tree, locally called as baliti. When you visit the historic city of Butuan, built by Recollet friars in 1625, but burned down by Moorish pirates in 1753. This church was once dubbed as the most beautiful church in the region before its destruction. Our last destination is the Cathedral of St. Joseph. The Declaration of St. Joseph Cathedral was approved by His Excellency Juan de Jesus Mata Florida Pueblos, Catholic Bishop of Butuan and Parish Priest of Cathedral. The Parish Church of St. Joseph in Butuan City already had its milestone. The first Eastern Mass was declared in 1521. The mission was founded by Jesuits. In 1596, the blessing of the first church in Mindanao was in 1597. St. Joseph became titular patron in 1622. St. Francis de Sales became the second patron in 1792. The blessing of the old parish church was in 1883. The consecration of the present church was in 1954. It was elevated the cathedral by Pope Paul VI. In 1967, it was appointed as a Church of the Great Jubilee in year 2000, and it became a dedicated cathedral was declared by Ricardo Cardinal Vidal in 2007.